Shenzhen Sinoseen Technology is one of China's top 10 camera module manufacturer. We can do all kinds of USB, MIPI, DVP, camera module customization as per your request. For over decades, Sinoseen has been dedicated in providing customers with various OEM, ODM, customized CMOS image processing solutions from design and development, manufacturing to after-sales one-stop service. We have a long-term cooperation and very good relationship with the major image sensor manufacturers like OmniVision, Sony, Samsung, ON Semiconductor, Galaxy Core. We are confident to offer customers with competitive price and quality. At present, our products involve face recognition camera modules, AI camera modules, endoscope camera module, mobile phone camera modules, notebook camera modules, security cameras, car cameras, and smart home camera products. Anything related with camera module, we can offer the best solution. Sinoseen has large manufacturer team to guarantee the speed and quality of production under a ripe and scientific quality management system. We're able to manufacture over 2 million camera modules per month. At the same time, Sinoseen also have a strong engineering team. Each of them has very rich experience in the field of camera module design. If you are developing a camera module for your new product, please tell us your specific requirements and details, and our engineering team will give the most suitable suggestions based on your actual needs. Choose Sinoseen. Choose a camera module expert and a trustworthy partner.
Hi, this is Andy from Sinoseen Technology. Welcome to our factories. Sinoseen was founded in 2009. With more than 12 years experience, we can customize all kinds of USB, MIPI, and DVP camera modules as per your request. It will be a great honor if you can come visit and cooperate with us.